Design like a pro. Edit at ease, quick yet high quality, absolutely free. No joke guys, it's my best companion here. The catch? Still can't believe it? The possible things I could think on that are: because it's for educational purpose. Cannot run ads, commercialize your works using that account. Your designs, templates, and works on that platform may be open source. Since you access it for free, yes, you can use all tools on that platform. Thus, your purpose is for educational only. Your access as a student or a teacher is almost at par of the privileges of those who paid premiums. Read and understand the terms of use plus the additional policies. Thus, you cannot use it for commercial purposes. Basically, your works may not use for ads. Understand your accountabilities for violations. So, definitely you are counted as subscriber, registered user. But having no revenue since it's for free. State the most useful to me as a teacher, available resources, removing background. Templates are over the platform, available. Smooth and portability is as fast as you have a good internet connection. Flexibility, format, and style absolutely available for your content. Likely, namely social media, presentation, video, print designs, docs, photo editing, and others. For your elements, just search, click, or upload if you not find them. Layer positioning, cropping, transforming, scaling are just basic tasks, and you need a powerful tool for editing. Portability and flexibility. On my own, it's 10 over 10. You can use it computer, mobile phones, and tablets. Functionality and versatility, 10 over 10. Drag, drop, click, copy, paste, tap if you're using the phone, and animation and transformation just enough for your needs. Effects are available to choose from. It adds impact and effectiveness to your goal. Removing background, that's number one. I like most, clean and quick, in seconds only. Adaptability, functionality, efficiency. It's quick, right? Easy. 10 over 10. It's convenient, really. Anywhere, you can use your gadgets, tap, view, and then if you're done, share. And there's no problem with the responsiveness in moving or using or moving in any placement you want to. The interface is user-friendly. 10 over 10. And what it makes easy because of positioning of layers, making your task so easy. And to sum all, your occupation as teacher or student, Canva is your magic wand. And if you're done, download or share conveniently. Are you a teacher? Yes? You can actually apply for that. And using your work email, a privilege to use such favorable threat for your educational needs. Second, it's totally free. And third, can let your students join the class. And of course, likely, your students can use all the tools because they are already unlocked. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or share this content and follow us for more. Are you a student but have no class to join? Yes? You can ask your teacher if you have some. I might help you on that. Join my group, Explore with Jan. Prepare your student ID. Fill out the form completely and then submit it. Okay, like, subscribe, and share this content. The form is available only on the group chat. Wait for me to check your response and validate your identity. And of course, your social media, for example, Facebook profile, must have a detail of your occupation status, for example, student of or presently studying in. Okay. And we'll send you the instructions on how to join by then. That's it. Let your best companion in school, Canva. Download or share conveniently at most high definition quality you choose from. Enjoy learning. It's free. And just be responsible.